So we back at it again. Welcome back to the page. Right now, we about to head out to a car meet. I got my boy here with me. Hey, Austin, say what up, bro. Hey, what's good? No, y'all can see him over here. Right now, it's just the two of us. We got a car meet going on today. About to go link up with everybody else. And then on top of that, later on today, we got a, well, it's already later on, but during the car meet or sometime after that, we have a gender reveal burnout that we're gonna do. So, I need to stop recording videos in the damn dark. But yeah, we got a burnout video that we're gonna do, gender reveal burnout. So we're gonna go ahead and meet up with everybody else at the next location. So y'all stay tuned, y'all. Today's video is gonna be epic, car meet, lots of dope cars, and who knows who you might see. Be right back. What's good, y'all? Oh, y'all know this going up on the vlog. What's up with it, bro? I did what? What you said? Said mesothelioma, what up? Get that bro.
You got your shoes on today.
You got whose shoes on?
You got your shoes on today. Like the house slippers. My man said
if I want to wear house slippers, I'll wear house slippers, bro. What up?
You want to ring?
Yeah, bet, let's do it. Let's bet, we can do that. Case, what up, baby? Chilling, man. All right. Oh, shit. Look who decided to come out tonight.
He just got it, guys.
What up, man? What's good, y'all?
What's going on?
He just got it.
I don't think I met you yet.
No, I'm new.
Oh, okay.
This is Memphis. This is Jordan. This is
Oh,
Dave.
shit.
J&D.
Shit was good, fellas. What man's, man?
What's my
Man's, man? All right. Who?
I can't even stop CT chatting.
I might break out with 5 tomorrow. And I was like, what?
Yo, where you at? I know y'all see Sis Camaro though. Case, where you at? I know y'all see Sis Camaro though.
Gang.
What's your Instagram, Case?
Follow me at IMK.
Y'all heard it here first, y'all. Woo. Got another Camaro. Is this Camaro with us?
Yeah.
Oh,
Come check us out.
bet. All right. Bet.
So I bought that one.
Now we're looking at the souped up caddy. I'm gonna be real with you. I never know Cadillacs to be a car to run. I thought it was just luxury.
Yo.
So I said I didn't know. I said I didn't know.
What up, dog?
What's good? President Dream Chasers right here. Is this your shit? Is this his? You know how much horses you pushing on this?
Looks at this.
Get the f out.
And the stock low.
Got the Brembo brakes on here as well. Did it come with Brembo brakes? Hey man, so you think this thing could kill Hellcats? What you got done to it?
Stock.
Get the f out of here. A stock Cadillac?
All of the stock.
I'm gonna tell you the same thing I told G. I thought Cadillacs was simply luxury vehicles. I ain't know Cadillacs could run like that.
My thing is, so I got rid of a couple other cars and I went to go buy a car. And my man was like, well, hey, come to the, he worked at a Cadillac dealership. He's like, come over here. I was like, for what? He was like, we got this, the CTSV. I was like, what the is that? He's like, it's a Cadillac. I said, I don't want a Cadillac, dude. He took me over there. He showed it to me and I was like, it looked nice. He started, I was like, I want it. I'll take it. And I started off low and I just kept going.
How much horsepower come with stock?
556 to the crank, about 4 to the wheels.
I made 470 when I dynoed the stock.
Where you guys done about?
Josh, Horsepower Solutions, right down the street.
Wait, what?
Horsepower
I
Solutions.
didn't know they were done. I thought they were like Chesapeake.
Horsepower Solutions.
It's 3 minutes down the street.
I mean, it's say Newport News.
As soon as you turn left on Jefferson, it's right there.
It's that weird Newport News Hampton area.
Yeah, that little funny bubble. Dude, I should have brought my foot.
That's your caddy too?
We got one more to wait.
Yeah, I mean.
The other ones that family. The only that I don't like is those. I hate tunas. They ruin meat. Like every meat I've been to, especially parking lot, they start doing burnouts, walk box, and all that other shit.
I think I might have met you before, yeah?
I seen you before.
That's why
I think I might have met you before. Is this?
he builds from. He will build the car.
You stay in Virginia? Where?
He is ready.
Yeah, this shit's fire, bro. I'm not gonna hold you.
No, I was talking about you.
Oh, appreciate it, man. Appreciate it.
It's only the second one.
Nah, but you
seen in person.
Oh, we got 3 of them here.
Yeah, that's only the second one I seen in person.
We got a red one, a silver one, and a strawberry gray one.
He's the same color as yours. It's purple, but it's a challenge.
Yeah.
But he don't know nothing about driving cars. So. Like he was get out there, he was like, "Oh yeah, man, come on." He was like, "The car's 700." I was like, "To wheel?" He's like, "Yeah." I was like,
nah, it's
"No, it's not." It's to the crank. They still fast as shit, but say it is what it is. But he don't know nothing about cars. Nothing. That's why I told him, I was like, "Why you even buy it?"
Bro, you wanna?
I'm cold too.
You got
Hey,
something?
you mind if
I got some.
You mind if I open the door?
Yeah, go ahead.
Hey, so
It ain't gonna open till I get to it.
oh, so he claims that this right here could be the Hellcat, y'all. He says that it's 900 horsepower. How much to the wheel?
$998.
What?
You can put it on.
Wait, what?
On your side tonight.
$998.
Yeah, you ain't say all that. You said 900, period. Where extra 98 come from? Hey, so let me know what y'all think, man. Can Cadillacs eat up Hellcats? I like how that sounds. Cadillacs, Hellcats. I see the interior though. The screen pops up at the top right here. So yeah, a lot of shit going on. Y'all go ahead and follow this man right here. Y'all powered by God. And you go ahead and look at this other Cadillac directly behind him. Hey, so where'd you get that lawnmower from? Where'd you get the lawnmower from? The lawnmower that's inside. That's a lawnmower, bro. What in the world? Mother. Nah, I ain't racing this mother. Alright, y'all, it is cold as hell outside, but as y'all can see, the lineup is looking dope as hell. Yo, let me know what y'all think. Y'all really think a Cadillac can eat up a Hellcat? I personally, it sounds good though. It sounds good, but for now though, I think it's all show. I don't know. I ain't never heard about no Cadillac being no Hellcat, man. But I'm gonna eat a couple of these unhealthy stuff. Hey, whatever y'all do, man, try to limit yourself from eating this bull. Man, I usually don't eat it. But anyway, y'all go ahead. We're gonna eat the sandwich and I'm gonna head back out there. It is cold as shit. Look at everybody else outside. I don't know if y'all can see, but eat me something. Baby, come meet the woo. She know we keep it too. Big knocking on my belly. The bee we left. You can make your machete to chew with the teddy. Need to be fuck up a glass to the heady. Duty. Always. Okay, say what up, baby.
What's good? What's good?
Hey.
Y'all see how we pulled up, took over the whole DC.
On everything. Yeah. He came to the car meet with a shopping cart. Damn, they got enough parking spots?
Fuck!
Gang got this, man. DC, everything DC.
You heard? Hey, you about to start a second car meet over here on this side, just us alone. The black Mustang? Yeah. That's a new prospect, Sean. Yo, White, you come from? Oh, shit.
Jeez, no!
Hey.
Boy, Carlos, I hit that boy that damn
Hey, man, I tried to pull up on you.
Mikey.
You know what I'm saying? What's happening, man?
This is V6.
Yeah.
I'm just kidding.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, the wine, I heard his wine on the wine of this thing sounds amazing.
Oh yeah. Yeah, the wine is stupid, bro. But I wish I was able to show you. It's not gonna, of course, stand still. When you on the highway, though, you actually hitting it though.
Stock or you got stuff done to?
Nah, this is stock. I just got this recently.
Oh, so this is the beast, huh?
Huh?
This the beast.
That's what I was trying to tell you to get.
It's slow.
Huh?
It's slow now.
compared to that Cadillac, it is.
Compared to my car, it's slow.
Hey, but I'm going home this weekend. I'm going home tomorrow.
So I'm telling you, they still got some they still got some Hellcats left.
I'm going home tomorrow.
Vienna, Virginia, Coons location.
I don't know what your stock is.
Yeah.
I know it's a lot.
It's 50 minutes away from my house.
It's unlocked.
Nah, it's locked.
Let me see what the inside looks like.
Alright.
Start that. There you go. You pressed it too many times. Hold on 1 second.
I press it once.
Press it once and then wait and then once.
Oh, I pressed it.
Hold on.
Oh, man, it could be the key.
You know what? Nah, it's the hood is open.
Oh.
The hood is open, that's why.
Cars are too smart for their own good.
It's facts. It's about to start. So this is what it sounds like without a muffler delete. Everything is just stock. So when I get the muffler delete,
Where'd you get this?
I just got it recently. So when I get the muffler delete and I get everything else, that's when it's gonna roar. So if I'm not on the highway, it's not gonna roar like that.
You got Instagram?
Instagram here, Mesby Chillin'. MEZZ. Let me get the red keys.
I want to hear it.
Let me get the red keys. Where the keys at?
Or MECC?
B Chillin'. BE. Hey, I think it's safe to say we came through, turned this shit all the way up. If he gasses it right now, he gone, bro.
You think so?
If he steps on it, he gonna backflip.
Oh. What? He's crazy, man. I know his shit's crazy. Look at his exhaust.
Oh, hold on, watch out, bro. Oh, he gotta do something. That shit clean, bro.
Oh no, he took the tags off. Oh,
I didn't get to see you in the video.
That's a GTR, damn. It's my first time seeing one in Virginia, though.
really? My first
Virginia.
one seeing one with tags on it. Last time I saw that a lot.
Reggaeton beat, bro.
Back to back, brother. Back to back.
Facts, bro.
That's the move. Like you just jump over and hop in there.
That's that Japanese shit, yeah.
I bet the front of his got some spray foam.
Oh, yeah.
I'm about to look at him. I bet the front of his dude shit spray right here. That shit clean. That's lower too.
Imagine if this truck doesn't see this far right here, bro.
Yeah, like it's under.
I gotta get this done in my shit, man.
How much something like that cost?
I don't know.
But you know what's funny, bro? Ever since I came back, but you know how much like this be popping on my Facebook. I said, yo, I gotta show messages, but I never catch up with you one of these days.
Yeah.
I wanna say,
shit fire.
if you do your shit like this,
It's coming soon with the green.
I always wonder why, like, it's like regular. Out the door, they like 35.
Really?
But I think you can make them faster.
Shit.
I'm not these shit straight, these real different. But they got a pack of water.
I'm telling my coming, bro.
Yeah, stop playing.
It coming.
Should have been copying. Look at this.
You do IG.
Low and
Low and slow.
Don't what?
Yo, how many lights he got in this shit? It's another Cadillac, yeah. Hey, so y'all telling me the Cadillacs, is this a new thing? I ain't never seen.
So y'all stop for every car, but y'all stop for the Cobra?
Well, why I'm gonna stop for this? Matter of fact, I mean,
What?
bro, when you gonna get a Challenger or something, man? You and this Mustang.
Hey, bro, he put that on YouTube. He gonna use all the Mustang followers.
What do you say about Mustangs?
Yeah, I'm an unsubscribe.
Nah, let me stop. I don't got nothing against Mustangs. Yo, we got somebody in the car that gets you right with that.
This?
Underlights and all that, hell yeah.
Yeah, I want one, bro.
But how you, like, do they come on after? How it works?
Ooh, you hear that pop smoke? Shake it, shake it.
Yeah, I know.
It was good, baby.
Good, bro. Do it for the vlog.
That shit was still on there? Yeah, they don't want me to go get the Hellcat and do a burnout, y'all. They don't want me to go do that now. Hey, I love the hat, bro.
Oh, thanks, bro.
This shit fire.
Going to Mexico. That's why I gotta wear it.
I'm mad I missed that.
I know, bro.
Yeah.
I'm about to run home.
Oh, you about to go crazy? Hey, I ain't yet to see a Mustang do some shit like that, bro. Let's take out of here, man. What's up? Oh, yeah, all right. Wait, where they at? All right, got you.
What said police?
Said the police coming in.
Oh.
Nigga, no, you're not doing nothing illegal, nigga.
Oh, I'm not.
No. Nigga, are you? What the fuck? This nigga. Yeah, let me get some water, son.
I'm going to stop. Hey, get that picture. Get the cop, take it.
Hey. Who got those? Oh, hell no.
Like, we're not supposed to have to shop them down. What's up? We're not supposed to swim them down. They don't want you on here. They're trespassing.
I still got the 2 ones on my, but I'm good. I got the 2 ones. Hey, remember I still got that 1 on my head, but I can't.
Bro, wife, you don't shut up, sir.
Then we gotta wait for they think I'm dark skinned and end up shooting me.
Y'all hear the ignorant shit?
I don't want to be nowhere near the dark skins. There they go! There they go! Shoot them!
Yo, look at them blocking the cops here, bro.
Hey, this is something very important here.
I guess I'll put this car in my vlog.
He better not embarrass me. He better not embarrass me.
Yeah, I don't think he gonna do anything. Hey, is this a GT? Ooh, he got some fat tires on there too, bro.
Nope.
Hey, ask him what he did to his shit, so your shit can sound like that.
Hey, he might. Dream Chasers gotta get out of jail free card. Ain't no police over here.
Hey, nah, look, we just posted up though. we ain't doing nothing crazy. We just posted up. We just came through deep. That's it.
Hey, bitch, you see all that traffic? You want me to leave right now?
That's why I was asking. I was like, Dream Chase ain't got no police on them. They got to get out of jail free card.
Hey, why don't we just Hey, you guys need to leave. Yeah, I'll leave once that car makes it to the light. Like, once that car right there makes it to the light, I'll leave.
Oh, y'all got to get out of jail free card.
Yeah.
They ain't even
leave.
this way.
Ain't no exit over it? Nah, it's straight wall. Damn.
I mean, you go around the building, but you can be stuck in the same predicament.
Ish. You know what's gonna happen on the way home?
I'm not going to park my car in the tire mark.
Cars gonna be everywhere?
No. On the way home, at least 4 or 5 cars gonna pull up to me. Oh, it's a Hellcat.
Really?
Now, I'm gonna go
You got it.
I'm going to go park my car in the tire marks and then get out and take a picture.
You should've. You should, bro. Hey, man, that's how you get views up.
Lying.
Gotta clickbait the out of them. Not saying that I will clickbait y'all, but yeah.
Not saying that he won't either.
You know, film the IG, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, big facts.
Leave it up to the imagination.
Who's that, Austin?
Can't feel my damn head.
Man.
Should've caught that legal that was happening for an hour.
Hey, so we about to go to another location. Go ahead and get this gender reveal going on. Y'all go ahead, subscribe, like, comment down below. And yeah, that's about it.
He feel like a man now, boy. Look at him. Look at him. Congratulations, brother. Thank you. So what's that? Y'all broke it?